everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon, out at Attons Lake. Welcome to Thirsty Thursdays. Jamie, what are we making today?
Today we're making the Blackberry Pink Lemonade.
Okay.
Pretty easy drink. You're gonna take some pink Whitney. We're gonna put about 2.5 ounces in a cup with ice.
And this Blackberry Lemonade is from Costco.
Yep.
You can probably get it at a few other places too.
Put like a ½ ounce to an ounce.
Okay.
Don't need a ton. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
And we're gonna top it up with some sparkling water.
And not a real complicated drink to make, but I'm going out on a limb here to say this is going to be delicious.
Good.
All right.
Cheers.
But you got a clink.
Cheers. There you go. Yeah, that's delicious.
Oh man, that's delicious. Person gets hit on his deck all afternoon, listening to everybody else work out here.
Yeah. Try it out.
Cheers, everyone.